Hi everyone, we built Cheetah.ai, a shared context base for faster multi-agent inference. Let's take a very simple example of a multi-agent workflow where there are three agents sharing one document. So each agent is stateless, so each agent has its own prompt around the same document. The system prompt in this example diverges at the first mismatch, even if the rest of the prompt requires the same document context. It will not cache the shared document, which means it will take around 104 GPU seconds to get this done for the work the model has already done twice. Now, this gap has been addressed by some solutions, for example, like prefix caching or serving engines like VLLM and SG9, which gets us partway there using KV, cache storage, device optimization, or inference optimization. But all of it is reactive. None of them read the workflow graph. The cache does not know which agent is coming next, and that's the gap. Our solution has three phases. First, the bridge. The bridge restructures each prompt so the shared document always sits first and the agent instructions come after. Each agent hits the same cache. No rereading the same document again. Second, even if the document is different, we have the orchestrator, which uses the dead time between agent calls, in which it reads the workflow YAML and sees what agent is coming next and preloads the relevant documents. So the cache is already there when the next agent arrives. Within the orchestrator, we also have smart eviction, which is forward looking. So we drop what the next agent won't need instead of our LRU recency. Lastly, we have sim hash, which caches near duplicate documents. So an amended document doesn't become a cold miss if I've already cached it. Here is an architecture of our solution, how our solution will work. And based on this architecture, let's look at the performance gains. So for a single agent with a pre-loaded cache, we see up to 65% increase in performance. And for a complete workflow, for this example, we saw 2.6 times increase. Now let's look at how this worked in real time.
This is a live demo of a shared context bridge, a system designed to make multi-agent AI pipelines dramatically faster. In stage 1, we run a stateless setup. 3 agents, screener, analyst, and auditor, each perform a full cold retrieval independently. Each one takes around 37 seconds to get its first token. Total time, over 2 minutes. In stage 2, we introduce our solution and orchestrator with a shared context bridge. The screener and analyst still pay their cold cost, but the auditor gets a warm cache hit just 8.9 seconds instead of 37. The result? Our system is 2 times faster than the stateless baseline. Over 68 seconds of redundant prefill eliminated.